Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to St. Vital, a large and well-established neighborhood in the southeastern part of Winnipeg. Located along the banks of the Red River, St. Vital combines residential communities, commercial areas, and access to natural spaces. It is one of the city's older suburban districts with a long history that predates its integration into Winnipeg. Originally settled as a separate municipality, St. Vital developed as a farming and river-based community in the 1800s. Its location along the Red River made it an important area for transportation and settlement. Over time, it grew steadily as Winnipeg expanded, eventually becoming part of the city through amalgamation in 1972. Today, St. Vital is made up of a mix of residential neighborhoods, ranging from older homes built in the mid-20th century to newer developments. The area includes a variety of housing types such as single-family homes, townhouses, and apartment complexes. This mix reflects its long period of growth and its role as a key suburban area within Winnipeg. One of the most prominent features of St. Vital is St. Vital Park, a large riverside park that serves as a central gathering place for the community. The park includes walking paths, picnic areas, and open green space, and it is used year-round for recreation. Its location along the Red River adds scenic views and a strong connection to the natural landscape. Another major destination in the area is St. Vital Centre, one of the largest shopping malls in the city. Opened in 1979, it has become a key retail hub, offering a wide range of stores and services. It draws visitors not only from St. Vital, but from across Winnipeg. The neighborhood is also known for its network of parks, schools, and community facilities. These amenities support a stable and active population, making St. Vital a popular place for families. Its layout includes both quiet residential streets and busier commercial corridors, creating a balance between everyday convenience and neighborhood living. The Red River plays an important role in shaping the area. Trails along the riverbank provide opportunities for walking and cycling, while also supporting wildlife and natural vegetation. In winter, the river may be used for skating and other seasonal activities, reflecting Winnipeg's adaptation to its climate. Transportation access is another strength of St. Vital. Major routes connect the neighborhood to downtown Winnipeg and other parts of the city, making it a practical location for commuters. Public transit options are also available, helping link the area to employment, education, and services. Overall, St. Vital is a well-rounded neighborhood that reflects Winnipeg's suburban growth and long history. Its combination of residential stability, commercial development, and access to natural spaces makes it one of the city's key districts.
watching.